Episode 49, let's go. All right, adjust. All right, today I am going to try and get this volume slider the way I want it to, where the volume I put it at is in the middle, and then the the max volume is double that. So people can increase it if they want. Probably not a good idea. Honestly, I'm thinking maybe like when I make an actual game, I'm going to have like a warning area, like a red area for um yeah, a red area for the decibel level that's like going to give you ear damage. That would probably be handy. Yeah, I actually haven't seen a game do that. I've only seen like phones do that. Like if you have earbuds on or headphones in on an Android phone and you turn the volume up too high, then the whole volume bar turns red or the whole volume slider turns red. I'm thinking that should be in video games just as like a safety feature, you know. So I'm gonna get this volume bar figured out here. I actually thought of it when I I thought of how to fix it the way I wanted to, so I can just set these values to things. So I want yeah, I can just set these values to things to make the slider look the way I want it to, and for it to have the functionality I want it to. So I'm gonna set the max value, like if I just do a bunch of decibel changes, so I'm not gonna change the decibel level here. I want this to be the default decibel level at 50%, right? And then I just have to make it look like it's actually, well, it is going to be 50%, but I have to tweak the values here so that the default decibel level is actually 50% on the slider. So let's get it. We got, what? This is not correct. This one, thank you. All right. Um, yep. Then we got on ready, I can change the value to yes. Yeah, I can change the value to this. Okay, and then I can actually let me think through this real quick. Yeah, okay. So first thing I want to do is set the value to yep, to that. And let me actually just check and see. Yeah, and then if I press space, yep, that's a good volume, yep. So then I want to change the I want to change the max value. What the fudge? What does min value even do? Oh, it makes it so that I see that you can't mute the volume all the way. I don't know why you would want that, but that's fine. Oh, because you could use this slider for other things. So that's why. Okay, so then I'm going to set max value equal to value times 2, I think. And then I have to change some things here. You know what? Wait, what? Yeah, it literally doesn't matter. The normal value doesn't actually matter because it's going to get changed here anyway. So we got max value equal to value times 2. Yep. And then I want step equal to value, wait. Oh, to max value times 0.1. And this might not actually work because, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait, why is it 11? Oh, no, it's not. It is 10. Okay. Yep, it's 10. Okay. Wow, that actually worked a lot better than I thought it would. And this actually can be just changed. That's fine. What? Yeah, actually, I'm gonna print this because it didn't let me do the value below. What is it? If I want to do point 0.2, wait, what? Oh, step. Wait, what? It didn't let me. What? I thought it didn't let me do this before. Okay, whatever. Weird. That's fine. Uh, I want to print max value. I want to know what this is. Ah. Wait a second. What? Wait, why does it change? Why did it change? Wait, is there actually live? Nah, whatever. Uh, I remember that I couldn't put this down below a certain value. Am I tripping? I guess I am. All right, good to know. Um, and then this actually doesn't, well, so this actually doesn't need to be here, I don't think. That's still quite loud. The fudge? Oh, or is it because I had it at 0.25 before? How do I mute that on the first? You know what? That's fine. That's fine. Wait, is it this easy, really? Was I, like, seriously doing something crazy yesterday? Maybe. Do I want this to be lower? I guess maybe I do. I'll do 13. Okay. Why is it... What? I'm confused. I'm confused. Oh, what the fudge? Wait, it resets every single time. Wait, so if I do this... Wait, does it? I don't know why I did that. So now does it reset if I do this? What? That's not correct. That's not correct. What? That's wrong. Where did it go? The fudge? What the fudge? What? I am so very confused. I am very confused. Where did it go? Where in the world did it go? Like, I see it. It's right there. What? What the fudge? It should still be there, though. I'm so very confused. Got him. What? And it's not showing up. What in the world? Custom step. What is going on? I'm gonna have to look this up. Scroll bar. Um, dot missing in Godot. Extend margin. It's apparently a. What? Extend margin. Margin. Oh, that's not. It's not on that slider. Nice. What is it? H scroll bar. It shouldn't matter. H scroll bar dot missing in Godot. How am I not? Is this actually a bug? Please. I'm not finding any solutions here. And if I do this, let's just keep it like this here. Oh my god, what? Wait, what just happened? What? It's not visible. Why? What? Do I actually have to take that into account, really? And now it's gone. Nice! Wah, 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 wah. Okay, what is going on? I don't know what the fudge is going on. Can I copy this? 13. Range. It's an already declared property at the base class range. Uh-huh, yes. I am confused. Okay, I will go research some more. Scroll bar dot missing. When value is set to 0. Does not scroll container does not show the scroll bar when applied to a theme that changes it. Your scroll bar or style box must have a content margin / expand margin set. What? Style box, style box. Style box. What? I don't have a style box. I don't have a style box, bro. What the fudge? Node process volume. What in the world? Editor description. Oh, I see. Okay, that was not showing up before, or maybe I was just tripping. Oh, I see. Script. I see. Never mind. Oh, that's really handy, actually. I was thinking, what? Never mind. What the fudge? I'm just so confused right now. Range. Range. Bro, I'm not downloading it. A zip file. What the fudge? When I try to personalize it. It's not, that's not what I want. Margin from first picture. What? Well, this might be an actual game. It's... Yeah, this is not working. Scroll bar not missing in Godot. Okay, this one's from 2014. I'm seriously not getting a fudging answer for this, am I? What? Scroll bar disappears when I try to personalize it. Yeah, what the fudge? What? Okay, firstly, I need this to be, um... What? For controls that inherit pop-up. Wait, what? Wait, this guy told me the wrong thing. Or did I do the wrong thing?
Component of any decent options menu. To get a bus for each category, the user can tweak themselves player node and change the step of about be it the name of the bus, the slide.
You have to be trolling me. I literally did the wrong thing.
Volume node and changing the bus property in the inspector. Once that's done, piped to the correct bus. This can be done by selecting the relevant audio player node and changing the bus property in the inspector. Once that's done, it's time to create our volume control. Make a new scene with an H slider as the root node with a range of 0 to
An H. Okay, wait, I used a fudging... What is this? I used a scroll bar instead of a slider.
A step of about 0.001 and attach a script to it. We use 0 to 1 because we'll eventually need to translate this value to a more audio-friendly one, but more because we'll eventually need the in the inspector. Once that's done, it's time to create our volume control. Make a new scene with an H slider as
An H slider. What? Okay. Can I just change this? No. What is the difference between them? Okay. What? Where's a pop-up? Where are the pop-ups? I must have been really tired yesterday to miss that. Loop container, box container. Pop up. Oh, it is literally not. Okay. What is the difference? Like, seriously, what is the difference? I'm gonna look that up. Can I spell things correctly? Slider is used to change values but does not change the display or move the area that is shown as a scroll bar. That's not. Wow, I'm getting 0 answers. I'm getting literally 0 answers. Nice. Okay. Difference between sliders and scroll bars in Godot. Don't add a V scroll bar. A scroll container creates its own horizontal and vertical scroll bars. What? Scroll bar. Abstract base class for scroll bars typically used to navigate through content that extends beyond the visible area of a control. Scroll bars are range-based controls. Okay. Slider. Let's look at slider now. Never mind, you need to use a scroll container instead of a scroll bar on its own. What? The fu- Okay. So, what? Abstract base class for sliders used to adjust a value by moving a grabber along a horizontal or vertical axis. Okay, sure. Basically, scroll bars suck, is what I'm getting from this.
Many years ago.
Ah! Alright, we got, let's just copy this now. 108. What? Wait, what? 8, 8. Okay, nice, doesn't work. 10 and -10? Oops. Nice. I see that I'm going to have to change a few things. Is this seriously the smallest I can make it? Oh, actually, I want... Oh, whatever. Doesn't matter. Okay, this one is now going to be volume slider. Nice. This doesn't matter. That doesn't really matter. This... you know what? The anchor, where's the anchor? I'm not seeing the anchor. Tells Godot which node it should give focus to if the user presses the left arrow. Okay. I don't care. Tells Godot what? Which node it should give focus. Oh. Nice. Oh, the anchor is right there. Nice. That doesn't really matter. You know, I don't care. Okay, let's just put this script on here. And it should work, I think, probably. Value, max value, step. What the actual fudge? It's not moving. Yeah. What the fudge is going on? What is happening, my Brody? What is going on? I am certifiably confused. Got it. Thank you. Thank you. Um, how do I change the value? Hello? What is happening?
Each slider as the root node with a range of 0 to 1, a step of about 0.001, and attach a script to it. We use 0 to 1 because we'll eventually need to translate this value to a more audio-friendly one, but more on that in just a bit. In the script you created, add an exported string parameter named busName, which will, shockingly, be the name of the bus the slider should control. Now we just need to wire everything up. In Godot, you don't access audio buses by name, but rather by index, which can be looked up by name. So add a bus index variable to your script so you only have to do the lookup once, and in your ready function, save the output of audioserver.getBusIndex, which looks up the bus index by name, to this variable. For setting the volume on the bus, connect the value changed signal of the slider, which fires every time the slider value changes, to a function and set the volume of your bus by calling audioserver.setBusVolumeDB with your bus index and the output of the slider value after calling linear2db on it. We call linear2db.
Okay, I'm gonna reload the project here. It's not working. It's still not working. What the fudge, bro? What the actual fudge? Slider not working in Godot. Focus mode equals none. What? Bruh. 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 Apparently a singleton? Someone just... Okay. Hi, so for a project I'm coding a poker game where before starting the game you can determine the amount of money each player starts with. And to do this I've been using an H slider to show how much that is. It initially works as you can both use your mouse to drag the slider and scroll wheel to scroll the slider to, however it just stops being editable at a point. There isn't any reason I can find why the editable and scrollable tags don't change, just that at a point they become ineffective and no longer work. This is my first time posting to the forum, so I'm not entirely sure what the etiquette is on posting code or an image of the tags or anything like that. You may have some control consuming event. Try clicking on the H slider when it's not working while running the game and check which control received the click in the debugger dock. Check if last clicked control field is the one you are expecting it to be. If not, set that okay. What the fudge should I just open? Check if last click control field is the one you're expecting it to be. If not, set that control that mouse filter to ignore or pass and repeat. What the fuck? Okay, what? What the fudge? It's literally just not working at all. Nice. Okay, if I do this, what happens? Nothing. Nothing. Nothing happens. Nice. I'm so confused. You know, I'm just going to create a another H slider. This one is gonna be this one is gonna be like way up here, way up here. Okay, no. Wait, it's gonna be like here. Nope. Okay. It's gonna be like here. You know what? Get out of my way, bro. What? What? Okay. Um, So why is this max? If I... Okay. If I just do this here, I can eventually find out where the problem is. Okay, and I can just comment things out, and then I can just, you know, can just comment things out. Nice. Okay, so that was it. That's it right there. Nice. Okay, max value equals value times 2. Why is that messing up? Can I make this 1? Let me just do some tests here. Why is that messing it up? Why is this messing it up? Why is that messing it up? That's way too loud. Max value equals value times 2. What is the problem? What's the problem? Like, fudging just blasted my ears again. Okay, let's just set this to 1 so I don't blast my ears again. Yeah, I mean, it's working now, but I still don't understand why this is a problem. Why is this a problem? Like, seriously, why is this a problem? What? If I do 4, what changes? Nothing. If I do 10, what changes? Why does it set the value equal to the max value? Why? Why does it do that? Okay, and then I guess I just have to... What? Do I just have to do this twice? I'm like so confused, bro. What is happening? What is happening? What is happening? What? What? Okay, that's fine. That's correct. That's not correct. That's not correct. That's just straight up not correct. That's just not correct. That is just not correct. What? What is setting the value? Like seriously, what's setting the value? If I do 0.224, 0.224, 0.224, what? I am so confused. Why is that the case? Why is slider value an int in Godot? Wait a second. Wait. Wait a second. If I add a scroll bar here, and I try to change this. What the fuck? What? Range. Float. I'm so confused. I'm so confused. I'm really confused. This is supposed to be a float. This is supposed to be a float. Oh my. You have to be trolling me. You have to be trolling me. You have to be trolling me, bro. Okay. Wow. Wow. If I make this 0, you literally have to be trolling. Okay. Okay, and then let me actually print linear, sorry, db to linear. Bruh. Oh, no. Uh, what do I want? I want, this. Okay, nice. No, this one I want to print. Um, Linear to dB value. Wait a second. Wait a second. Wait a second. This one I want to print. dB to linear. This one here. I think. Oh no, no. I just want to print this. So these should be the same. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's very loud. I don't know, maybe my ears are a little bit sensitive from getting blasted. Yeah. Hmm. Print audio server dot get bus volume dB. Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay. That should be fine. Okay, and then now let's test it actually. No. No. Signal up. Signal up. If visible. If visible. Oh, never mind. No, that was correct. If visible, it shouldn't be visible. It shouldn't. it shouldn't be visible. It shouldn't be visible. It it literally shouldn't be visible. It's not visible. Why is it it's not visible? Why is it doing that? What, like literally, why is it doing that? If true, this canvas item is drawn, then the node, that's why. That's why. It's because it is visible. It is visible. Okay. Uh, it is visible just for a very short amount of time. So really, I'm going to make this off. I'm going to make this not visible. And then I'm going to, gonna set this to true if that's true. Then I'm gonna do else timer start. And that should be good, I think, probably. Hmm. Hmm. Let me test something real quick. Yeah, so pretty much having this be connected to that doesn't make any sense. So that has to be invisible, that has to be invisible. I have to bring this over here and go boom and go boom. Boom. And then I do this. Then I just copy this. Then I do this. Yep. I think that should work. I think. Yeah, and actually, I'm gonna make it smaller. Is that even possible? No! I want it to be smaller vertically. Why? What? Is this actually the smallest it can be? Am I even... Oh, I'm not even on the right thing. Okay, why wasn't it working? Nice. That's... you know what? 0.75? Okay, 0.6. This doesn't matter. Okay. That's good enough. That's fine. And then I'm gonna make a label here. I'm just going to have it say volume. Hello, thank you. Perfect. Now I can change the style of this here. I can make the slider a white here. Yep. And I can change this to be thicker. Perfect. Okay, then I can change the change this to be a box. What? Okay, maybe that's not it. What the fudge? Oh, that literally doesn't let you reactivate it. Grabber, grabber highlight, grabber disabled. Okay, yep. That's not it. No, I want a new mesh texture. No. Quad, maybe? What the f- Why is this so difficult? Why can't I just fudging make a box? Canvas texture. Diffuse, normal map, specular. I just want a box. Can't I make like a color rect, bro? Curve texture, mesh texture, image texture, compress texture. Canvas, that's what I just did. Hello, can I please? Okay, and it only works in multiples of 4? Yes. Yep, perfect. That's perfect. Oh, except I want it to I want it to be white. What? Why can't it just be what? Why can't it just be white? Okay, that was perfect. I just wanted it to be white. What? Like, why can't? Not a mesh, not a mesh, bro. Atlas? What the fudge? Region? I just want it to be a rectangle. Can't I just make it a rectangle, please? No. Diffuse. Normal map. Specular. Can't I just do this? And then make this be bigger, make this bigger, and then make this bigger. No, it's not doing anything. Diffuse, nothing. Normal map, um, nothing. Or normal map, placeholder. Placeholder, bigger. No, no, it's not working. It's not working. Specular. Specular. Okay. Do I seriously have to make a fudging image a 3 by 12 image of a white rectangle? Are you fudging kidding me? RID. Noise. Okay. Color ramp. You know, I'm just gonna do this. I'm just gonna make this like nothing, like 3 pixels wide. Raw data resource, bro. I just want a placeholder texture, except I want to be able to set the color. Can I not fudging do that? Animated texture, camera texture. Noise texture? Nope. Image? Do I seriously have to make a fudging image? Okay, I'm gonna look this up. Get do placeholder texture, but with a different color. Godot texture I'm gonna do built in texture. That is just a rectangle. Create a 1 pixel by 1 pixel white image in Paint. In Godot, place a sprite and set that PNG as its texture. What the fuck? Just if you're intent on not using an image texture, then just select new gradient texture on your sprite texture, set the gradient width to 1 and the sizes of full float array. What the fuck? Bro, I just want placeholder texture, but a different color. Why can't I just fudging do that? Why can't I just do that? Is there like a problem? Is there seriously a problem? Like, this just seems excessive. Whatever. Whatever. This one, I want to be white as well. Thank you. I want this to be 3 pixels by 12 pixels. Thank you. That's it. Perfect. Fudging pain in my butt, bro. Yike. Yike. Whoa, that is what? How do I edit that? How do I edit where the ticks are? Because these look ugly as fudge, bro. These look completely uggo. Like, major uggo, bro. Like, why? Okay. Margin. Is there a margin here? No, thank you. I don't know why I just said uggo. I'm tired. Bruh. Nice. Nice. Oh, you know what I can do? I can just do this. Got him. I can just do this. Are you ready? Nerd. Got him. Okay, and then I can make this a little smaller. And a little shorter as well. And Okay, whoa. What? Oh my okay. Why is this such a pain? Just to make a square, just to make a rectangle texture. I don't get it. And it's sharing? Why is it sharing? I want to copy it. I don't want to. I love that so much. I love that so much. Grabber disabled. This one I can just copy. This one I'm gonna have to delete and make a new one. Then I'm gonna have to do the same exact thing because it's annoying as fudge. Thank you. Raw data, don't care. Don't care. This is gonna be like 1 by 1 or some bullcrap. What about negative? Can I make it go up? Like can't I make it square? What does that even mean? Why can't I make it go up? Slider ticks in Godot. How to point slider ticks in Godot upward. Slider properties. Style box tick. The texture for the ticks visible when tick count is greater than 0. Okay. Tick count. Number of ticks displayed on the slider, including border ticks. Ticks are uniformly distributed value markers. How do I make it go up? How do I make them go up? I would like them to go up, please. Why can't they go up? Do I actually have to flip? Do I actually have to flip the fudging? The whole thing just to make the ticks go upward? Why? Why would I have to do that? Why would I have to do that? Why? Help with sliders. Does anyone want a plugin for a better functioning slider? Is there a better way to do tick in Godot 4? Nope. Auto spacing. Ticks on borders. Enable slash disable. Tick count. Help with sliders. How do I make the fudging sliders go up? Bro, this should not be that difficult to find an answer to. Like, I don't want to have to How to make the slider ticks in Godot point upward. How to create custom sliders.
Before we start with the tutorial,
Finish product. Wow, that looks pretty bad. Yeah, this guy's example looks, it looks like Garbo. I mean, it works, but it looks like Garbo. How to make jumping controls feel better in Godot. This is also 4 years ago. Slide notches aren't aligned with the pointer location. Okay. What? So that one has the ticks going on both sides. Trying for a multi-slider. Any help appreciated. You making a curved slider. That one's going to be fun for the lip readers in the audience. Slider with 2 dots. Maybe on ready I can change. Nope. 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 I'm just going to have to deal with it for now. Why are they only... Oh, fill. Yeah, I don't care about that. Repeat. Resource. Why can't I move these up? Why can't I... Like, why is it so difficult to move these up? Like, why do I have to move this upside down? Just for... Oh, and it's not even gonna match. It's not even gonna match anyway, so... Cool. 8, and then 2 on the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh. Never mind, I want 10, and it still doesn't match up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It doesn't match up. It doesn't match up, so I'm like wasting my time anyway. Huh. Like if I do this and I do that, they don't match. It doesn't match up. It doesn't match up. Yeah, no point. No point in having them then. This is like the most difficult part of the project, actually. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow. I could have just restarted that. That's fine. Okay, we got. Uh, sure. Yeah, really, this should be the max. I mean, you know what? Nah, I guess it's fine. I guess it's fine. I guess it's fine. Is that good? This should be higher. Yippee! Let's play. Ah! I'm a little bit out of it, but yeah, that is frustrating. That's very frustrating. That the built-in ticks suck. That's frustrating. Wow, right is really slacking today. Right is really slacking. Oh, wow. Okay. Yep. And it's annoying. It's a little annoying that it's off, that it's ever so slightly off. But whatever. I guess this is technically closer. That's fine. Whatever. Okay, yeah, that's it. That's the project. That's it. Yeah, baby. Now I'm gonna send this to all my friends and they can play a nice game of Pong against themselves. Okay. What the fudge? I'm gonna look up. I'm gonna look this up. What? Because your class inherits a property value from range, so by using a local variable with the same name, you're shadowing it and overriding the identifier in that local scope. It's a warning, though not an error. You can still access the inherited value property explicitly from self. Oh, that makes sense.
Each slider.
That makes sense. That makes sense. And what I was just talking about is this. If I do this and I change this to new value, and I change this to new value, then it goes away. Wow. Do this, and I stop it, and there are no more errors. Wow, because there's already a value variable here. Poggers, let's just collapse everything. I love collapsing. I love collapsing. Yeah, yep. Let's just go here. Let's press F. Sure, perfect. And now we are all done, and I will, what is it called? I will export this later. What the fuck? Hmm. Yeah, and I will export this later. Anyway, that's it for this episode. Thank you so much for joining me. That should have been episode 49, and you will all see me tomorrow.